Right, so let's start. Let's start. I always like to start with pricing because there's not much point in you carrying on if it's too pricey for you or you're expecting it for free. There's obviously a 16-day premium trial, which is this version. That you're going to get all these features: unlimited auto emails, number of visitors, touch points, complete lead magnets, websites. We're going to go through all this. Websites below, lead path tracking, SMS marketing, marketing planner, survey campaigns. Obviously, for the next version up, you're going to get all the things on the left-hand side, plus smart pop-ups on your website. And I'm going to show you this version, really. Website missed goals, site purchase abandonment, web application tracking, all these extra features for the extra price. So this, though, is £32 a month for the premium version, right? Or 16. Now, Zoho 1 is £35 a month per user, right? So you get this included in Zoho 1. You want to check out Zoho 1, go to z1trial.com and learn more. You get all the Zoho's apps at enterprise level or higher, or enterprise level memberships, but there's 40 plus apps and they're adding new apps all the time. It's an unbelievable deal. Check out z1trial.com for more information on that. But what you're looking at, as I'm going to show you, is going to be the £32 version. But as I say, Zoho 1, you get this and everything else included. So that's why I think you're probably watching this anyway.